going on, YouTubers, gun tubers? It's a great day today. Guess what day it is? It's Uzi Day. As you can tell by the title, I got the Uzi Pro 9mm. Of course, I think it only comes in 9mm. Yep. But I got me a Uzi 9mm, and we're gonna unbox it. So let's get to it. All right, this box it comes in. Nothing too fancy. IWI UZI Pro, all that good stuff. And it's an old cardboard box. Nothing much to it. Take a look at it. All right, it says here, warning, read the instructions and safety manual included with this product before use. Okay. All right. See if we can fold this out of the way. Don't get in the way of the camera here. There we go. All right. So what do we got? We got 2 mags. This looks like a 20-round mag. And this looks like the 25-round mag, steel mag. Pretty nice. So it comes with 2 mags. Got a the standard trigger lock, slide lock, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got some paperwork here. Let's see. We've got a thank you note. It says thank you for your your purchase and support of Israel Weapons Industries. And it says register your firearm here. And this is how you get the manual. You have to scan it with your phone. And so it's a digital manual, and then scan this for your warranty to register your firearm for your warranty. Okay. All right. Let's see. It's got join the NRA today, and you get a free bag. Okay. And you got a sticker. Put on the gun safe. Cool. That's my receipt I threw in there. And got a little pull tab. Cool. That's the back plate that goes to it if you don't want the brace, which I do want the brace. And you got a sight tool right there. So that's all the things that come with it. Get that out of the way. Chamber flag, which I've already opened this up and played with it a little bit, so you know, took the chamber flag out. All right, comes in this little plastic and a cardboard cutout. Move the box out of the way. Alrighty. Get it out here, this plastic, and boom. Alright, come on down. Work with me, phone, work with me. Looky. Look at there. These Uzi Pros, I tell you, you either love them or you hate them. I happen to love them. Some people love them. If you're watching the video, you probably love them. I don't know. That's the SB tactical brace that comes on. And yeah, let's go ahead and clear it, which I have done already. But and now to charge it, you have to hold in this little grip safety like that. Check it. And pull the trigger. And it's clear. Alright. Look at there, guys. Look at there. Yeah, now I had one of these before. This is my second one I've owned. And I regret selling the first one. So I decided to get another one. So with any luck, I'll be able to hold on to this one. And we'll be selling it. At least that's my plan. So this is it. I don't know if you can read it. Let's see if you can. It'll pick up on here or not. Uzi Pro. See if it'll focus or not. Hopefully y'all can see some of that. Yep. So let's see. That's the sights come with it. And I tell you, when you hold the when you hold the pistol out like a pistol, you can see the sights pretty good. But when you hold it up, the brace up against you, it's kind of hard to see the sight. So it's gonna have to have a red dot, which I plan on putting a red dot on it anyway. Yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. My new acquisition for the collection. So yeah, what I plan on doing is putting a red dot. I used to have a, well, I had the Venom, the Vortex Venom up here on my last one. So I'll get something similar to that to put up there. I may put a flashlight or laser here, but I don't know. I like the look of the Picatinny. You know, makes it look kind of mean. You know. But yeah, this thing. It is real sweet, y'all. Real sweet. So I'll be shooting it part of this weekend, and I'll film it, get some shots off, and I'll check the trigger pull and all that. It's got the threaded barrel right here, see? We'll do all that. We'll get some more range footage with it this weekend, so y'all look for that. And yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you all that and unbox it and take a look. Voila. All right, let me know what you think, guys. We out.